Oh, sure. Oh, all right. Today gonna study on how from scratch. That is in Python programming from scratch. We're gonna develop a user registration and login system. And in this, I want you guys to be very keen in this video because it's gonna be awesome. And this video, everything is recorded the most interesting, and the way we do move is so nice. Python is a good programming language. If you not yet studied Python programming language, just be alert. My videos are coming on, and I'm gonna teach you guys all the best you deserve from this. So in this user registration login system, okay, let I comment, for example, user registration system and login. Yeah, this is just a comment. I've noticed I started recording the video, but from here now, get alert, let's go. Yes, so in this I want to initialize things. In this one I'm gonna develop the user registration and login system. Since we need to store user details, so we have to store them in an array form. So in this, let I declare an empty array first. So declaring an empty array, maybe I can call it users to be empty using those curly braces. And then with that also we need a choice. If a user chooses this, I want to log in, maybe this user is already registered, it is just using only one value, and then go to login direct, or else register with another value. So I declare also another variable here, maybe choice. Choice also, it has to be empty because we not yet assigned anything. In Python you don't have to have so the semicolons for ending or terminating and string of code. So in this one I've initialized everything for the array where you're gonna store my user details, and also the option on where I can choose those for on what to do, either login or register. So in this you're gonna start like this. So I want to use a while loop. So using a while loop, I can either use while, not choice. Choice, we can tell the user to enter details, either do you want to register or login. So for example, the user maybe wants to register in this, wants to register. So in registering, so we print simple commands. So print, do you want to register? Yes or no. So for this ones we need to either get our computer program to determine either yes or no. Maybe for yes, maybe I can put R. In this case, for this it will mean that you want to log in, and L, R will represent register, and L login. So immediately the user enters either L or R, it will determine on itself whether R is for registration, meaning the code for registration is going to be executed at this point, or else L for login. So for this one, maybe we can check on this. For this code here, while not choice, meaning I don't have anything yet, I've not chosen a choice, so it is supposed to run after this point here. And let's go, and I'll also show you here on how you can code your code to be professional, not very much as this code I've written here, this junior for me, but I'm gonna show you how you can write the best code and beautiful one. So maybe I can save this before. So saving this one, users.python, it will save automatically, and then I need to log in to run this simple program from here. So press run module 5, and you've seen here the result. You see it's a while loop. Of course it is true, and it will never end. So what you do, you terminate the program by using Control C, meaning okay, our program went successful up to this point here, and since we need we not yet gotten there, we are just testing, or else we can use as provisionals. You can either use while. I replace this while choice is equal to maybe some variable like q. This one meaning while choice is equal to q, meaning the program can move on, and this is the best way to go. Let's save and run. Syntax error. So syntax error, I want to check on my syntax. While choice is equal to this. So you run this program, is work. So check on this. Yeah, I terminated. What's up? So while notes, I'm supposed to use notes here because I not yet chosen end value. So if I save and run, yeah, my program is supposed to be working. You see all this bunch of crap stuff here. So I finish my program, and then let's go. Since we are here, so do you want to register, yes or no? If it's you want to register now, I want to now if choice is equal to string r, I want to request the user to register now. I use colons for anything. Only you want to decide on anything, or when you are running a program in Python, you have to remember indentation is very important for Python programming. So we are here now. If choice is equal to r, what do you do? Register the user. So print please enter username here, and also after entering the username here, of course this is an input, so maybe a username as a variable is equal to this is supposed to be an input. So we are requesting the user to enter value input, and also we remember the password. So password is equal to input inside of it. So and your password. So immediately you enter the password, and this at this moment you can either decide, maybe you break at this time, test whether it has worked up to this file. We've gone for register. So I run my program. What am I supposed to do? Still scrub. So it was true up to that moment. I'm supposed to quit the program somewhere. So if choice is equal to this, what am I supposed to do? Check. Oh, now I realize where we messed with this while loop. It's here. So there is a mistake here. I was to assign something here. Do you want to register? So it's a choice. So our choice is equal to input. You want to register, yes or no? If it's yes, you want to register, you go here. And if you want to log in, so for this one I'll at this point, and then I use the other command for leave. Hey, what says leave choice is equal to L. We need to log in. So here now you can say maybe print login in this case, and then after that I can break, but we'll continue. It's just for that thing. So I save my program and I run. So if I check after running code, what's the problem? I want to register, maybe with R. It doesn't matter what. ORL is not defined. Was up? So check. Oh, it was supposed to be a string. I made a mistake here. Oh, let's go run into it. It's a string. And run our program. Yes. You see here, I'm to iter r register. You see, it does remain there. It's r. Oh, case sensitive. Now, please enter username. You can enter for this here, maybe pass and then the password also here. After that, here you call login. Maybe login here, and it's done. You see, our program up to this moment is able to determine whether we need to register or login in this. At least we need to have some space here so that we can allow the user to do a bunch of stuff. So now, then the next video, I'm gonna teach you on how we can store the values that the user entered here, and we store them so that we can use them to log into our system. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you next time. And subscribe to my channel, please. That is it for this video, and hope to see you guys then next time. Thank you.